On April 25, 1872, the world lost a revolutionary inventor whose creation would forever change human communication. Samuel Finley Breese Morse passed away peacefully at his home at the age of 80, surrounded by family. His invention of the telegraph and Morse code connected continents, compressed time and space, and laid the foundation for our modern connected world. Today, Morse rests in Greenwood Cemetery in Brooklyn, his legacy immortalized not just in stone, but in every digital message we send. Fun fact: before inventing the telegraph, Morse was actually a prominent portrait painter who studied at the Royal Academy in London. The death of his wife while he was abroad, news of which reached him too late due to slow communication, inspired his determination to create faster means of sending messages.